Every year, tech just keeps getting cooler. Some gadgets save time, some look futuristic, and a few are just plain fun to use, and 2025 is full of them. In this video, I'm showing you 10 amazing cool tech gadgets you'll definitely want to check out. From clever little tools to eye-catching desk gear, each one is designed to make life a bit smarter and a lot more interesting.
So let's not waste time. Here's gadget number 1.
Magnetic floating pen. At first glance, it looks like a regular pen stand, but the moment you see the pen hovering in midair, you'll realize this is something special. The Suntrist magnetic levitation pen uses carefully balanced magnetic fields to make the pen float and even spin slowly on its base. It's fully usable as a writing pen, but most people love it as a desk showpiece or even a stress reliever. It adds a futuristic touch to your workspace and is guaranteed to catch everyone's attention. INU wireless charging stand. This isn't your average wireless charger. The INU wireless charging stand is designed so that you can drop your phone on it and get a fast, reliable charge without fumbling with cables. What makes it really handy is the angled stand, meaning you can still watch videos, scroll, or even take video calls while your phone charges. And it has built-in safety features to protect your device from overheating or overcharging. This is sleek, practical, and perfect for your desk or nightstand. Number 3. Fifish V6 Expert Underwater Drone. This one's wild. Imagine sending a little robot underwater that swims around like a fish. That's basically what the Fifish V6 does. It's got a 4K camera, bright lights, and it can move in every direction, even sideways and upside down. Some people use it for serious stuff, like inspecting boats or underwater pipes. But honestly, most of us just want to use it to explore and see what's down there. It's like scuba diving without having to jump in yourself. Number 4. Portable Monitor Extender. If you've ever wished your laptop had more screens, this thing is a total game changer. The Above Origins Monitor Extender basically clips onto your laptop and gives you 2 extra displays on the sides. Suddenly, you've got a full triple screen setup anywhere you go. Editing, gaming, multitasking, it all just feels way easier. And the best part? You can fold it up and throw it in your bag when you're done. It's like carrying a whole desktop setup without the bulk. Number 5. GameSir X5 Lite Gaming Controller. Playing a game on your phone is fun until the controls get in the way. Swiping and tapping on a glass screen just doesn't feel right, especially if you're into fast-paced games. That's where this little gadget steps in. The GameSir X5 Lite clips onto your phone and gives you real joysticks and buttons, kind of like holding a mini console in your hands. It's lightweight, comfy to hold, and perfect if you want smoother gameplay without your thumbs slipping all over the screen. Once you try it, going back to normal touch controls feels almost impossible. Number 6. Portable Mini Turbo Fan. This looks like a simple pocket fan, but it's way stronger than it seems. The motor spins up to 30,000 RPM, so the airflow feels intense for something this small. What I like is the control. You get 100 different speeds, from a soft breeze to a full blast when it's really hot. The battery is 6,000 mAh, so it lasts for hours, and it even has a small LED display to show the level. It's light, easy to carry around, and honestly, on a hot summer day, it feels like a must-have. Number 7. Distance Measure Device. You know how annoying it is trying to measure a room with a tape measure that keeps bending or falling short? This gadget fixes that problem completely. The Bosch uses a laser to give you super accurate measurements in seconds. The screen is bright and easy to read, even if you're working in a darker space, and it can remember a bunch of your last measurements so you don't have to keep writing things down. It's small enough to throw in a tool bag, whether you're setting up furniture at home or working on a job site. Once you try it, you won't want to go back to the old tape measure. Number 8. Quad Monitor Setup Docking Station. Ever feel like your laptop screen just isn't enough? This Hodo docking station fixes that instantly. It lets you hook up to 4 monitors at once, all in 4K resolution, turning your laptop into a mini command center. Setup is super simple, it's compact and works with most USB-C laptops. Whether you're gaming, editing, or juggling work, this little dock makes multitasking a breeze. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived with just one screen. Number 9. Bluetooth Beanie with LED Light. This beanie looks like a normal winter hat, but it's actually kind of awesome. It has Bluetooth speakers built in, so you can listen to music or take calls without untangling headphones. And get this, there's a small LED light to brighten your path when it's dark. Perfect for early morning runs, evening walks, or even late-night dog duty. The battery lasts hours, and you can pull out the speakers and light when washing it. Honestly, it's warm, handy, and just plain fun to wear. Number 10. Gravastar 65-watt foldable USB charger. This tiny charger looks like a little futuristic gadget, but don't let that fool you. It's seriously powerful. With 65W's fast charging, it can juice up your MacBook, iPad, or phone way faster than your old charger. And it's not just one device, it has 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port, so you can charge a bunch of stuff at the same time. The plug folds in, making it super travel-friendly. Honestly, it's compact, stylish, and crazy convenient. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And that wraps up our list of 10 amazing cool tech gadgets you've got to see in 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. I've got plenty more amazing tech finds coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.